I am super sassy. I think it's just because I'm bloated, and then I had to try on like these tight jeans, and then you see it on this like freaking high definition camera and you're like, I'm a monster. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I wanted to give you guys some tips on how to look more effortless and polished this summer. So let's go ahead and stop talking because I'm having a lot of trouble with that today and get started. We'll start with the quintessential. So let's start with the quintessential summer staple denim shorts. We all have a pair, everyone wears them. Some people like to wear them with their butts hanging out. Honestly, I feel like my 17 to 19-year-old self would totally have been on that trend because I was a big So I feel like the boyfriend cut with the frayed hems are especially popular. One look that I see a lot is these shorts with like satiny bodysuit or a crop top. So there's nothing wrong with this look. I mean, it's cute, it's age appropriate if you're in college. This is too much for a high schooler. But high schoolers these days, they grow up so fast, don't they? Yeah, they do. I used to see this look a lot, especially on campus at SDSU, typically year round because I live in SoCal, not we, I don't know where you live. Mostly you're in San Diego because most of my friends are the only ones watching this. To elevate this look, I paired it with this yellow dress shirt from Uniqlo. I got it on sale recently and it is 100% linen and it feels so luxurious. I'm not gonna link anything yet because I'm planning to do a haul video, so wait for that, sucker! So I sized up to a medium because I wanted the oversized look. I also threw on my belt to kind of class up this look a little bit more, and for the footwear I wore my J. Crew mules. So I think a really good rule of thumb to keep in mind this summer would be if you are wearing short shorts, like short shorts or skirts or dresses, I would recommend a closed toe shoe. When you're showing too much leg and then your toes are showing, for some reason it's a lot of skin, that extra toe. So when you wear sneakers or flats or mules, it just gives a more modest and classy vibe. This next look, I decided to take another trend that always comes around during summer, and that would be a printed skirt. So I took this maxi skirt. It's from Banana Republic, obviously this leopard print. For me, there's a lot going on with this skirt. I mean, the print is loud, and on top of that, the colors are really dark. So it just feels very heavy and very busy. This first look that is a no-no is I paired it with the same dark brown bodysuit from Banana Republic from earlier, and then I cinched it with this wide leather belt. This look is really dressy and it kind of feels dated, like it kind of feels played out. I don't know how I feel about it. Actually, I know that I don't like this look. I don't like the pairing of the shiny bodysuit with this chiffon skirt. Just the pairing of these two specific items. The colors are way too dark for like an easygoing summer day look that we are going for today. So to change this look up, I swapped out the bodysuit for this Aritzia cotton halter top tank. And I think this type of tank top is blowing up right now for summer because this shirt is very casual and it's also kind of sheer. I feel like it really dresses down the skirt because it's so form-fitting as well. I wanted to offset the sexiness of this top with my dirty ass chucks. I threw on my Adidas hat. So I really like this look. It feels more current and trendy, but it's obviously very casual. So now the skirt has gone from dated and kind of grandma-y slash fall vibes to summer vibes. I really like this. I would definitely wear it. Well, this week I've been really bloated, so I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon, but maybe. I'm just kidding. I'm definitely not putting that in the video. The next look that we see a lot is super tight, sexy crop top and super tight, high-waisted jeans. So, do you look amazing? Yes. Is it appropriate for going out? Absolutely. Do I like it? No. And I don't like it because it's too tight. I don't like pairing things that are too tight on top and too tight on the bottom. Well, first of all, I don't think my body can rock this look. And second of all, I would feel incredibly uncomfortable. Anytime I sit down, I know like my fat would be like BJing out of the jeans and the top. How do you say BJing out in English? I know like my fat would be like squeezing out, like, oh, let me out of my jeans, especially today because Jesus Christ, I am so bloated. So to jazz this look up, I swapped out the jeans for these high-waisted jogger pants from Zara. And then on the bottom, I'm wearing my other J. Crew leather mules. And I think this is a much more classy yet still very sexy look, just because the top is so tight and there's a lot of boobs going on. I also think that the volume of the pants make your waist more defined and give you a more flattering silhouette. So this leads me to tip number 2 to keep in mind for the summer. If you are wearing a sexy tight top, try to keep your bottoms loose and long. It's a much more proportional and more effortless look, in my opinion. I also think it makes you look like you're not trying too hard, which I think the previous look did convey. So this next look, I'm taking this really busy top I paired with these shorts. The first problem is there's way too much skin. There's skin on my shoulders, the belly hanging out, and there's all that thigh and all of that leg just hanging out. I think this is such a teenage look. I think this would be cute on like a teenager that obviously doesn't have Christian parents. I am so sassy today. I am so sorry. I definitely don't consider this age appropriate for myself. And to be honest, even when I was 16, I would never wear stuff like this, even though I wish I could, just because I've never been that comfortable with my body, especially my belly, Apart from too much skin showing in this look, it's just not flattering in any sense. The top is so bulky, it flares out. The straps are ruffly and there's a lot of material. And then on top of that, the shorts are 100% cotton. It's heavy, the frayed, it's so square, and that it flares out as well. So there's so much material and heaviness going on for the little material there is on the body. To elevate this look, I swapped the shorts for these high-waisted wide leg jeans from Zara that they just make me so happy. These pants are super duper high-waisted. Oh my gosh, they are so life-changing. They give you a very elongated silhouette, especially paired with this super cropped top. It really accentuates the smallest part of your waist, and because it's form-fitting all the way to your thighs and then they flare out and they're wide leg, it gives you a very flattering silhouette. It makes your legs look really lean and really long. And it pairs so well with this top because the top is so bulky and there's volume. The volume on the flared legs will keep it very proportional and very evenly balanced look. I would have never kept this top if it wasn't for these pants. I feel like this is such a cute, dressy, yet very summery look. I think it is still very age appropriate, especially if you wear it with some closed-toed heels. Yeah, I think it's just super cute and classy. For this last look, I am going to take a typical summer dress. Summer dresses, they're often white, short, and they're, I don't know. This one is off the shoulder. This one is off the shoulder and it's from Free People, and it is definitely busy. It's tiered, it's flowy, it's short, and there's even like a flowery embroidery. It feels like there's just too much going on with this dress. So the way that I would class this up for summer would be to throw on this very masculine, oversized jean jacket. I know, mind blowing. It's like you haven't seen this before. I love the pairing of girly things with very masculine, men's inspired pieces. It just balances the look. And there's like girls out there that are very girly, but I just think for me, when I wear stuff like that, it makes me look like I'm trying too hard or it's outside of my comfort zone. It's the girl wearing this stupid ass dress. Because there's a lot of material going on, even though the jacket tones down the dress, there you can still see the flowiness and a lot of the material of the skirt. I went ahead and pulled my hair back. The last tip that I would give you to elevate your summer looks is that your hair does play a huge role in your look. I think if you're going really dressy and there's like a busy top or a busy dress, it's always a good idea to pull your hair back. It just gives you a much more polished and pulled together look. And also it's just clean and polished. I can't think of another word for polished. I can barely get these words out. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that look. My next video will be a haul, hopefully, but if the clothes come in on time, which I'm really looking forward to. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. See ya. Bye.